Hello, I'm First Alert Meteorologist David Reese on your side with your Sunday evening forecast for WRBL.com. And we have a lot to talk about, including the possibility for some wintry weather starting Tuesday afternoon, so let's hop right to the rain and snowcast. Our raincast first shows just a few light showers. This will be all rain off to our south. That chance is very slim though. As we head into Tuesday afternoon, that's when things really start to change. Tuesday morning, not all that bad, quite a bit of cloud cover. That cold front is moving off to the south, allowing that cold air to rush off to the south and east. And that's important because look what the raincast then does. It becomes a snowcast around 3 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. And then you see this little bit of pink through here. That indicates the possibility for a little bit of sleet. Now it could accumulate quite a bit, but then as we go throughout time, notice what happens. That northern edge of that, oops, I have the wrong thing there. Let me go ahead and switch. There you go. You notice this line right through here. It's very distinct. Notice how it goes from all snow down through here to absolutely nothing up here. That means there's going to be quite a cutoff right through the News 3 viewing area right through here. So, in other words, if you live to the south and east, believe it or not, you have the better chance of snow. Areas off to the north and west of Columbus, not so much, and that's indicated by our snowfall total first call map. Right now, we're going with heavier amounts across middle Georgia and into eastern Georgia and the eastern Carolinas, and then 1 to 2 inches of snow possible, highlighted in that blue area, and then any area highlighted in white could see between a dusting to an inch. And let's go ahead and zoom it on in here for the News 3 viewing area. That shows the 2+ inch range from Fort Gaines through Cuthbert, through Maracus, down towards Albany, and points east and north of there. Over the top of Fort Benning, Sly County, Marion County, most of Webster and Stewart counties, as well as the southern half of Russell County and Barber County stand the best chance of seeing 1 to 2 inches. And then, like I said, if you live to the north and west of Columbus, the lower the snow totals will be. And I'll be honest, this is on the lower side of a lot of guidance, and this is has the potential to bust on the lower side, but I'd rather go conservative this far out than show you guys like, oh my god, snow totals. I'd rather show you more realistic snow totals for us here locally. The other thing that this system is going to have the potential to do is a lot of ice. I mean, look at all this ice it's forecasting for areas of eastern Georgia and the Carolinas. I mean, you're talking about the 1 inch plus mark, and that's a lot of ice that is very dangerous. But here locally, that we're talking about mainly sleet. Ice is not a huge issue for us here locally, so that is certainly good news. But if we see accumulating sleet and then snow, that's going to make roads very dangerous, so be cautious if you have to go out Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, or early Wednesday morning. And how can you guys stay up to date with the First Alert Weather team? Well, first, you can join us on Facebook. Search WRBL First Alert Weather. Go ahead and like us. We will keep you guys up to date throughout this entire event and also leading up to it. The other way you can keep in contact with us is searching us on Twitter, WRBL First Alert. That's our Twitter handle. The other Twitter handle is mine, at WX Reese. So go ahead and search for me there. The other thing you guys can do is search for our WRBL radar app right there. It'll look like that once you download it, and then you'll have access to the radar to keep track of all that snow that may be moving on through the viewing area. And another way to get warnings as well is to sign up for text alerts at WRBL.com. The good news, though, after we got done with that wintry mix Wednesday morning, is we'll see a lot more sunshine Thursday and Friday. And look at that, 60s return by Saturday and Sunday of next week.